solve the area of the rectangle, the perimeter of the rectangle. Meaning to say, ito area and perimeter. Alright, and the value of x and y. Alright, now. Okay, di natin alam to, di natin alam ito. Alright, now, okay, to find the area of the rectangle. Now, what is a rectangle? A rectangle is a flat, alright? A rectangle is a flat with four-sided shape. Pag sabihin natin with four-sided shape, ito yung side na to, apat, di ba? Then, with four right angles, pag sabihin natin with four right angles, ito yung four right angles. Alright, at ito. Alright, then yung four right angles na yon here equal, naka 90 degrees. 90 degrees, naka 90 degrees, and now the opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Always equal in length. Ang opposite sides siya nakaparallel. Pag sabihin natin nakaparallel, dapat ganyan. Ito, katulad nito. Ito, yan. Tapos, yan. Nakaparallel. No? Now, ang all four corners, kaya sabi natin kanina, ang all four corners perfect 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Now, ang rectangle in contrast to a square. Why? Bakit in contrast to a square? Kasi yung square ito. Ito yung square, di ba? If this is square, x. So, equal four sides. Tapos, yung rectangle naman, ito, same yung size. Ito naman same yung size. So, pero, okay, the side opposites. Kaya, the sides opposite each other are also the same length, no? The same length. Now, what is the area of the rectangle? Sabi, to find the area. All right, what is the area of the rectangle? To find the area of the rectangle, is okay, excuse me. To find the area of the rectangle, you multiply each length to each width, no? Multiply mo sa width, no? Pag sabihin natin, ito okay, pala natin. Ito, pag sabihin natin area, area is equal to length times width. Pag sabihin natin length times width, ito yung length natin. Ito yung length, ito yung width. Alright, kung length natin, okay, length. To solve the area of the rectangle, so to find x. Solve muna natin yung x. We cannot solve the area in the perimeter of the rectangle without first getting the value of x of the rectangle. Solve for x. So, to solve for x, so ganito, x, equate natin ito, x plus 20, x plus 20, equate natin dito sa 2x plus 10, 2x plus 10. Alright, ito dalhin mo dito, tapos ito naman, dalhin mo ito. Ang mangyari ito, x plus 2 and then 20, drop mo to, 20. I-minus mo to sa 10, minus mo dito, yung 10, minus 10, tapos equal, tapos ito, ano mo to, 2x, minus, yun, lipat mo dito yung x minus x, so therefore 20, so 10, 20 minus 10, to 2x minus x is x, so therefore our x is 10. If our x is 10, meaning to say, ito, 10 plus 2. So, meaning to say, ito ay 12. Ito naman, 2x, 2, if 10, x is 10. So, 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Ito naman, x, yung x natin is 10 plus 20, so 30. And this is 12. So, ang sabi, opposite sides are equal, so 12, this is also 12. Diba? 12, meaning to say, yung area natin ng rectangle ay yung A natin, meaning yung yung length natin is 12, tapos yung width is what? 30. Alright. So we have the area. To find the area of the rectangle is length times width. We have the value of length and width, diba? So our length is 12. 12 times 30 what? So 30 times 10, 300. Times 2, 2 times 30, so therefore is 360. Ang sabi, dapat yung to solve the area of the square, the rectangle, dapat naka-square units, such as square inch, square meters, square kilometers, square millimeters, so this square units, di ba? Alright, now, we have that. Finally, nasolve na natin yung area ng rectangle, di ba? Ito, area ng rectangle. Next is area na perimeter ng rectangle. Pag sabihin natin ng perimeter, yung ito, paikot dito lahat, paikot, yung four sides, yun ang ibig sabihin ng perimeter of a rectangle. Ibig sabihin, bahay mo, nakakwadrado, lahat ng paligid nakapaikot doon sa bahay mo, yun ang ibig sabihin ng perimeter. To solve the perimeter, ito, 12 plus 12, alright, no? 12 times 2 plus 30, di ba? 30 plus 30, so 30 times 2. So ano? 12 times 2 is 24, plus 30 times 2 is 60. Now, finally, our perimeter, 24 plus 16 is 84. Alright? Now, then, ang next, meron na tayo na-solve na natin yung value of the area of the rectangle and the perimeter. Then, ang x natin, ito yung x natin. Di ba sabi natin yung x natin, yung width, di ba? Yung width natin is what? 30. Tapos yung length natin is 12. So, finally, ito yung perimeter. Ito yung area of the rectangle. Okay?